These last few weeks have been very tough. I've been up and down emotionally, not in the right mindset for content creation for the last few weeks. But I'm back now, stronger than ever, getting the opportunity to move to my own place. That's what this vlog is about. I want to let you know this is the toughest thing I've had to deal with. Mourning something that I didn't have. This car, this Ford Focus, it's what my dad used to drive. Me and my dad had a toxic relationship growing up. We used to connect on cars. So it started my love. And then my love for cars went on to games, racing games. And then the passion grew from there. I never saw much of my dad at all. I never saw him at all. Even on my birthdays, never saw him. As a child, in that kind of environment you grow up dreaming about something that never came. As painful as it is, I'm never gonna forget what we truly connected on. I took a break for the last 3 weeks, and now I'm in a much more stable mindset. I'm gradually getting back into content creation again. I just want to thank everyone that's been there for me, my mum especially. She's guided me through it all. As much as I'm still grieving, it's not as harsh. But I want to make this video to tell you that this is what me and my dad connected on. He's got a special spot in my collection. I'm going to be adding a model that he used to have when I saw growing up. Always in the memories, that memory in the back of my mind. Because I love cars, that's what my attachment is at. I also want to thank my support team as well for also being there for me. Even my brother Rich, he's went through this similar thing. His was a different reason, different connection from me. Mine was through cars with my dad. I don't know much about my brothers. Thank you.